Good morning, kids. Welcome to Breakfast Buddies Adventure. Today, we're going to meet some amazing breakfast characters who are not only delicious, but also packed with all the energy you need to start your day with a bang. Are you ready? Our first breakfast buddy is none other than Mr. Toast.
Hey there, little pals. I'm Mr. Toast, and I'm here to make your mornings toasty and warm. I'm full of whole grains that give you energy and keep you feeling full until lunchtime. So make sure to grab some toast every morning.
Yay!
Next up, we have the one and only Miss Avocado.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Avocado, and I'm here to spread some green goodness. I'm packed with healthy fats that are great for your brain, and I'll help you stay focused and ready to learn in school. Add me to your breakfast plate for a tasty treat.
Yay!
Now let's meet Mr. Cupcake.
Hey kiddos, I'm Mr. Cupcake, the sweetest breakfast buddy around. While I might be a treat, I'm best enjoyed in moderation. A little sweetness in the morning can make your day extra special, just like you.
Wow!
Time to say hello to Taco Tommy.
Hola, I'm Taco Tommy, bringing joy to your breakfast table. I've got a mix of protein, veggies, and carbs, the perfect combo to keep you strong and ready for anything. Let's make breakfast a fiesta every day.
Wow!
Our next breakfast buddy is the ever-reliable Sandwich Sammy.
Hey kids, I'm Sandwich Sammy, your on-the-go breakfast pal. Packed with proteins, veggies, and whole grains, I'm here to fuel your adventures. Don't forget to include me in your morning routine for a tasty and satisfying start to your day.
Oh yeah!
Let's introduce Milk as our most important, delightful character in our breakfast menu. Milk can share some interesting facts about its nutritional benefits and how it pairs well with other breakfast buddies.
Hi everyone, I'm Milk, the Dairy Delight. I might not have a crunchy texture, but I bring a whole lot of goodness to your breakfast. Let's dive into the world of dairy together. I can make your bones strong and healthy. I'm full of calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for growing bodies. So don't forget to pour a glass of me every morning.
It's time for a little quiz. We're looking for a breakfast buddy that gives you a mix of proteins, veggies, and carbs for strength and energy. Who could it be? Correct! It's Taco Tommy. Let's help Milk reach to the rest of the breakfast buddies.
Yay!
Wow, great job! Have a happy breakfast! And there you have it, our Breakfast Buddies adventure. Remember, each of these characters brings something special to your breakfast, helping you stay energized and focused throughout the day. So let's make a pact to eat a delicious and nutritious breakfast every morning. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Thanks for joining us today, kids. Until next time, keep enjoying your breakfast and have a fantastic day at school. Don't forget to subscribe for more learning adventures.
Tunana.